Hi everyone, it's Chukuma from Mastermind Automobile Solutions. Today we have to fix some problems on this Toyota Highlander. If you look closely, this Toyota Highlander closely resembles one we fixed sometime, I think 2 months ago. They are very similar, the same color, similar plate numbers as well. They both belong to diplomats. Now with the one we fixed in that previous month, about 2 months ago, it's had to do with mostly body work, the aesthetics, making it look good, making it look better, and some additions that we did to the interior. With this one, however, we are dealing with some mechanical problems. The engine is currently misfiring, the power steering has a whining noise, and the suspension has some problems we have to deal with, notably the bearings. So kindly stay tuned, watch this video to the end while we show you how and what we are going to deal with in the course of solving these problems. Kindly like our video, subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment. Thank you. So in the course of fixing this car, we are going to take it step by step. We are going to carry out diagnostics. We are going to see what the fault codes are. Obviously, from the way it's functioning, we expect to see random cylinder misfires in the car. So we'll tackle it step by step. We are going to handle the whining, power steering pump problems, and the suspension problems that we have. So from what we can see, we are going to change out the bearings, the wheel bearings of the car. And then with this type of cars, we would usually advise people, change them out with the hubs. Don't just change the bearings on their own, because if you change the bearings, chances are you're going to get something really substandard. So get a set just like this one. If you can't get it for new, which may be difficult to get, especially in this part of the world, get a good OEM used one. They could serve for a very long time as well. So this represents the front set hubs and bearing that we are going to put in the car. It has this crazy, grumbling noise as you drive, which is usually from the bearings itself. So we're changing that out. Also, if you look closely, you would see that this light has broken. They were involved in a minor accident, and this also cracked out the bumper here. So we are replacing this light, and then we are going to repair this bumper and spray it. Of course, we are not going to spray just this point. When you have problems like this, you have to do the whole thing so that it's going to come out very well. So this and the other things are things that we are going to be doing, so that at the end of this video, we are going to present to you a finished work of what we are doing. So we can see cylinder 6 misfires as predicted, as well as random misfires detected. You could also see the engine bay opened, where we had to change the spark plugs, service the injectors, as well as the throttle. We also had to replace, like we said, the power steering flutes and the hose attached. These are the hubs and the bearings being replaced as well. You have to change them in pairs, and this is the finished work of the vehicle. Everything is nice. Vehicle sounds smooth, idling is smooth, the body is in perfect shape, steering is good as well. And you can see the lights that we replaced, as well as the bumpers that we fixed, which were bad initially. So thank you for watching and following our work. Kindly like our videos, subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment.